What shall we do? What shall we do? What shall we do with the SEARAIL? Hey, it's not on yet, but you can already see how it looks. Let's first see how it used to look. It still does on the starboard side. Just a regular SEARAIL. Now look over here. A big solid SEARAIL. Currently at a whopping 82 and a half. What do you say? Gives a huge safety benefit, and we just need to see how we get used to the look, because there's no going back now. The only thing we can do is maybe do it a little bit lower, only with considerable effort. So this is how it's gonna look. Kira's checking out. Let's see how it looks from below. What do you say?
I don't know.
Looks
It's
different.
so hard. It's so hard to tell. I mean, then you also have to think that half of the boat is in the water, you know?
Maybe we'll try to shave off a little bit off the top.
Mach schnell.
Hä?
Rein.
So weit.
Super streng zu die so halt.
Okay. The new solid SEARAIL is on. We shrank it down a little bit. We had it 82 this morning, and we managed to slim it down to 80, which is a compromise from having a clean looking boat, having a high enough SEARAIL for safety, and still enough clearance for the sail to pass over well. So I think we reached it. I think this is pretty good. Yeah.
Alright, the portside side of the SEARAIL is on. It's great to see this project progressing this fast. We just welded on the extensions to the stanchions, bent the actual pipe that is used as a handrail, and welded that on, and the day was already over. We'll continue tomorrow with the push pit and maybe a little bit of the starboard side rail. Join us again for more SEARAIL welding fun. See ya!